Alrighty, Mr. Martius, here's your 427 small block Ford. Your description of this combination got a set of our CFC heads on. Custom grind hydraulic roller, got the Victor Junior manifold, blacked out front end for some oil pan. We'll go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,500, 485 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 552, peak horsepower 568, rate of 575, front end's about 15, so everything's good. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean for you. Show you a couple things here. See your engine, you find a single insert credit card, a USB card, full of technical information, engine build specs, dyno video, things of that nature, a lot of tech stuff. I'd recommend watching it. So on your engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine numbers and other specs. You flip it over, basically have a QR code there. It'll take you to some other technical stuff. So highly recommend watching all this. Have a great day.